Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix unplug charger and alien object issue on any Oppo phone. Now, this issue appears when your smartphone detects an object or moisture in the charging port. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just clean the charging port of your smartphone with a soft brush. And then keep your smartphone in a ventilated area for a few hours for the moisture in the charging port to dry out. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open Settings, then tap on System and Update. From this page, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. Then go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. For that, just press and hold the power button of your smartphone until you see the power menu on the screen. But if your power button is mapped to launch Google Assistant instead of the power menu, just press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. And once you see the power menu, just swipe up and select Restart. If this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the charging port of your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix unplugged charger and alien object issue on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.